IPSO, your smart partner for washing and drying, now comes with a revolutionary new range of IPSO IDR Tumble Dryers. Let's explore how the IPSO IDR series dryers can benefit you. Welcome higher performance with a smaller footprint. Our optimized airflow ensures higher efficiency, shorter drying times, and lower energy consumption. Thanks to improved sealing, heat loss is now minimized, ensuring maximum efficiency. Say hello to a larger 360-liter drum, which increases the capacity of the tumbler from 16 to 18 kilograms. This change offers a better match with the washers, providing even greater output. Our frequency inverter-controlled motors provide higher efficiency and flexible speeds, with reverse drum rotation as a standard function. Our innovative drive belt tensioning system requires no tightening, so it maintains optimum tension throughout the entire life of the dryer. Our electroconductivity-based moisture sensing ensures higher accuracy and prevents over-drying. We've also focused on perfecting ergonomics, from the placement of the controls to the improved door handle to the intuitive touchscreen, making operations easier than ever. The ergonomically designed lint filter drawer makes cleaning easy and features magnets for easy handling. With better access to important parts of the dryer, we've made it easier to install and maintain. The uniform design of all IPSO washers and dryers gives your laundry room that professional look. We're confident that you'll achieve superior results with the new IPSO IDR dryers. The IPSO IDR range.